What's going on, friends? I've got an exciting one for you today. You saw it in the title. I bought a mystery box from Harry Tornado. Now, I paid $20 for this. He says it's worth 150, 200. Is it real? Is it a scam? Is it worth more? Who knows? But we're going to open it up, and this isn't going to be your typical mystery box unboxing. I've actually got a special guest that's going to kind of go through it with me. So, stay tuned. So I mentioned a special guest, and really, who better to have help me with this than the man who sold it to me? So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. 100K himself. Here's Josh. Here's Harry Tornado.
I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves.
Josh, hey, we gotta do this. Hey, Josh, what? I guess maybe he'll be back, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, we got some notes. Thanks for the support. Hope you make lots of money. Cool note. Support your friends sticker. Very cool. Harry Tornado card. And we got some packing paper. Alright.
Okay.
Let's get into this.
I'm back.
Pretty cool.
I'm back.
Oh, hey man, you finally decided to join us? No, it's for real though. I thank you for being here. It really means a lot. I'm sure it's going to boost my channel. But yeah, I just want to tell you I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. I watch your channel all the time, man.
Oh, really? Oh, thanks, man. That really means a lot. Thank you. So I bought this from you, and I mean it's pretty full. But I asked in the beginning, is this a scam or is this real? Yeah. What do you think?
It's all a scam. It's 2021, people. It's all a scam. Everything is a scam.
Oh, I hope not. But yeah, let's go through this thing. Oh, this is cool. Chicago Bulls hat, new with tags. Price on it's $32.99. Very cool. Got some shoes, some Nikes. Good condition, pretty clean. Very cool. Hey Josh, what do you think these will go for?
It's worth $50. That's a pretty good offer.
Maybe. We'll see. Oh, there's my money back right there. Pair of Chacos. Really, really good condition. Awesome. Thanks, man. What else we got? T-shirt. Let's send a little bit. No, it's a pair of pants. It's Nightmare Before Christmas. Maybe. Well, that's Oogie Boogie. I don't remember what movie he was in. Yeah, Nightmare Before Christmas. That's right. Pretty cool pair of pants. Very cool. Dude, I was wondering if I could like just say, hey, this is a mystery box from Harry Tornado. Could I auction it off or put a price on it? What do you think? I could maybe just put a price on it? What would you put on it?
I don't know. You can always drop the price later. So list it for $2,000. $2,000 free shipping, maybe, and to see what happens. You know, if somebody, just be prepared to hold on to it. Stick it in the closet. Maybe wrap it up so it doesn't get like damaged in storage. And maybe 3 years from now, somebody will offer you $750.
Maybe. Yeah. I'll go back to this. Thanks. Got some kids' shoes, kids' Nikes. Very cool.
Is my like voice is my mouth in sync with the audio?
Yeah.
Because I remember last time I was off, and it looks off on my screen, but it's right on this screen.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Yeah. Let's.
Do my lips match what I am saying?
Yeah. You're good. You're good, man. You're good. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Look at these. These are Keens. If you don't know about Keens, they go for good money. Appreciate it. Got a shirt. Cool shirt. It's a Coogee. Kugi. Not really sure how to pronounce it. I don't know. Kugi, something like that. I don't know. But I've got stuff down here. How's it been going, man? You been doing good?
I got a haircut yesterday. You guys like it? I kept the length like up here because I like the swoopiness, but my head is so big, so I don't need extra girth when it comes to thickness on the back and sides. So she cut the sides and like cut this part up here a little shorter and left the length in front. This is I don't know. I like my haircut. I probably won't be wearing a hat for a while because I'm confident.
Yeah. That's good, dude. Styling and profiling. So we do have some more stuff in here. That's kind of what this video is about. Let's see what we got. Got a remote control. It's a Sharp camcorder remote control. That must be for VHS, I guess, maybe. You sell a lot of VHS, Josh? I don't. But do you sell a lot?
Listen, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be a jerk right now. I sell VHS tapes all the time. I'm a full-time reseller and I only sell VHS tapes. I make $30,000 a month selling VHS.
I'm just gonna leave that there. You whatever. But yeah. Got some more shoes. These are some like neon green Nikes. Need a little cleaning, but we can probably wash those, get them good and clean.
Dun, dun, dun. Everything's fine.
These are Alpine Stars. Laser ablated grip. I've never heard of these before. Pretty cool. But yeah. Alpine Stars. Never heard of them. One more item in here. Man, I wish this was a bigger box.
I don't know what to tell you, darling. I'm so sorry.
Don't call me darling. Come on, man. But yeah, last item. It's really heavy. Got a strap on it.
What is this? What is this?
And a Goodwill sticker. Ooh. It's a lens. I don't know much about lenses. Made in Japan. Can't really tell what brand it is. Super Photo. 55mm. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Awesome. Dude, I appreciate it. I really think this box is going to be a moneymaker. It's going to be successful. And I really appreciate you being here to do this with me. It's been fun. I hope it's a little better than a normal mystery unboxing. But thank you.
Love you so much.
Oh, you too, man. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And we'll see you on the next one.